Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I want to show you how to cancel your AMC Plus subscription. Okay, so first you're going to want to go to amcplus.com and log onto your account. And after you've logged onto your account, you're going to go over to the left hand side and go all the way down until you see the section that says settings. So click on settings. Okay, from here you'll have two options. One option is account, and you can edit your account here, but we're going to go under subscription. So click on subscription. And from here you'll see your subscription status. As you can see, my subscription status is active and renew on this date. Just go over to the right hand side and click on cancel, and it's going to try to keep you, but just scroll all the way down and say no thanks, cancel AMC Plus. And it says your AMC Plus subscription has been canceled, and then you can continue to watch on your devices until whatever date. So this is how you cancel your AMC Plus subscription. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching.